everybody, and welcome back to the channel. In this project, what we're going to do is we're going to open up a text file and we're going to directly write text into it. So here we go. So I'm going to create a function called text write. I'm going to create a path to my desktop, which is going to be users mark desktop. That's my desktop path. Your desktop path will be different to that, so you'll have to find out what it is. os.chddir. So we're going to change into that path above, change directory into that path. Now we're going to create a variable called file name, assign it to input to get the user input, and tell the user what to type. Enter file name. Right, okay, so now we're going to use a conditional if. So if os.path.exists, the file name that we've typed in, we're going to do something. We're going to print opening file. And what we're going to do is we're going to give it a little pause using the time function here. So time.sleep, make it sleep for 1 second, pause it for 1 second. Right, or else, here comes the catch-all. Else, if the file doesn't exist, we're going to print a message to the user telling the user the file doesn't exist. Okay, so that's the first part, and we're just going to do an exit there to quit the program. Just to quit the program. Okay, here comes the second part of the program. We're going to use OS here from the OS system. os.system. And we're going to use the f-string format here. We use start. Then we're going to use file name. So we're going to use the OS system to start the file name, and then we're going to open it. So we're going to use with open, and that's going to be the file name. And we're going to use this little flag here, which is W for write. So we'll write to it as file object, and then we're going to create a variable called text, and we're going to assign that to input. So we're going to get the user input, what the user wants to write in, and we'll ask the user enter your text here. So the user can type in any text they want. And then we're going to do file object dot write text. Right, okay, all we have to do now is call the program. So we call it by calling it text write. Okay, let's save it. And I've got an empty text file here on my desktop called A. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to run this program. Okay, before we run it, I've spotted a little mistake here. I shouldn't have put that in there. Let's just adjust this a little bit. knock it out, and I'm going to put it in there. Paste it in there like that. Let's save it. Let's run the program. So the file name, so it's going to be a.txt, hit enter, opening file. Okay, so I'm going to enter my text in here. This is some text, hit enter, wait for it, just close this. Let's go back to it. And there you go, the text has appeared in there. Let's run it again. Okay, so a.txt, opening file, okay, and I'm going to put here, adding more text, okay, hit enter. Okay, so close this. Let's open it again, and we've overwritten it with adding more text. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.